Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I hope you're well. I am here today with the unboxing of the October Flavor of the Month card kit by Scrapping for Less, which is called Joy to the World. And hold on to your scissors, glue. This is the most amazing card kit in my opinion since I have been receiving the kits. I'm absolutely in love with it. So, as with every month, you can download the ingredient sheets, which tells you, yeah, that's right, what is in the kit. So I'll put that to the side so I can let you know everything as I go through it. Every month there are also 4 card sketches, which you'll see the design team use. And so those look really fun this month, but let's jump into the kit. All right, so the first stamp set is exclusive by Stamping Bella. This is Christmas Bug. It is absolutely adorable. I love the little whimsical tree coming out of the car with the Christmas lights. This is a rubber stamp, which is great, and you get the sentiment Seasons Greetings. The paper in collection number 1 is Christmas in the Village by Bo Bunny. This is single-sided paper, and they do split up the paper pads. So the ones that I received are this nice blue polka dot, this gorgeous holly, this really pretty design with the pine cone and Christmas baubles or ornaments to the side. It's really pretty pine cone and flower. I don't know if that would be considered... Would that be a holly flower? I don't even know. I'm not really good at my flowers, as you can tell. Anyways, it's really gorgeous. And then this beautiful gold flourish pattern. And this is my favorite, the pink with all the adorable houses. So those are the main components. You will also receive some silver bell tags by Kaiser Crafts. So these are the 2 that I got just for you, and Merry Christmas. And a whole bunch of ephemera from Christmas in the Village. This is Bo Bunny. So here are the pieces I got. Happy Holidays, the tree, this pretty tag. Ooh, I got one of the houses, Christmas light, a pretty tag. This bow is gorgeous. Even that's really pretty with that tag. Love it, love it, love it. These sequins are by Button Galore and they match the paper perfectly. There are some little Christmas trees in there. I don't know if you can see them. And then you also get a couple pieces of twine. Awesome. So let's move on to collection number 2. So this collection contains an exclusive stamp set designed for Scrapping for Less by Gina K Designs. This is called Ornaments. So pretty. Love it. Love the little snowflake details here. The sentiments Deck the Halls and Merry Christmas to You. The pattern paper is Here Comes Santa by Photoplay. This is double-sided paper, so this really pretty snowflake with the holly on the back. The stripe pattern reminds me of peppermint or candy canes. Ooh, this really pretty black pattern paper. Another stripe with stockings on the back. This gorgeous plaid paper. Some cut-aparts, some cut-aparts, and some cut-aparts. On the back is this really pretty green plaid. And on the back of this one, oh my goodness, these adorable little Santas. So cute. Okay, now we'll move on to the embellishments for that collection. So you'll get a couple of ephemera from the same Here Comes Santa collection by Photoplay. The sequins again are by Buttons Galore. Ooh, there's some, is that holly? There's some holly in this one. I don't know if you can see that. So pretty. And then there are full rolls of ribbon in different Christmas colors by Doris. So I happen to get the red one. So that's collection number 2. Collection number 3 is another amazing collection. This stamp set was designed exclusively for the kit from Pink and Maine, and it is called Joy to the World. Oh my goodness, those critters are so stinking cute. The paper is Jolly by Pink and Maine. So this is double-sided. So I got this green polka dot paper with these beautiful white snowflakes on pink. It's really pretty Christmas tree pattern, or just tree pattern, and green on the back. A striped pattern with some green plaid on the back. Oh, I love this pink plaid. That's beautiful. With some diagonal striping paper on the back. This one's really pretty, and then a very kind of muted, easy to use green plaid, and then a zigzag pattern with the, I always forget what this pattern's called. So the ephemera from this kit, you'll get some Christmas borders. I got these beautiful Christmas trees. Some of these decals with different sayings on them. Some poinsettia. Is that what those flowers were? White poinsettias in that paper? Must have been. And some candy cane with some holly. So awesome. The sequin pack is from Buttons Galore. Once again, it's a really pretty white sequin pack. It has some iridescent stars and some iridescent sequins with some white cup sequins in some various sizes. Really pretty. And then you will also get a variety of wooden embellishment pieces in this collection pack. So how fun is that? My favorite, of course, is the Gingy. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I love gingerbread. So there's collection number 3. All right, so collection number 4 has this adorable stamp set called Cookies for Santa. This one was designed by Scrapping for Less. Love all the sentiments. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Is that you, Santa Claus? And be good for goodness sake. So adorable with the hot cocoa mug and the cookies and the Santa in the chimney. Love it. The paper is from Santa's Workshop by Echo Park. So I received this beautiful snow paper with these really gorgeous decorated Christmas trees. A striped pattern paper with the North Pole Village. This is adorable. It has Mrs. Claus's Bakery, the Candy Factory, the Abominable Snowman, Peak, Santa's Manor, Reindeer Stables. So fun. That's adorable. A red and white striped pattern paper with this really pretty sentiment pattern. Some more holly. Oh, this cute little truck with a Christmas tree in the back. This is really pretty with the garland and some cut-aparts. That'll be fun. Ooh, this checkered plaid with these Santas on the back. So cute. And again, the sequins are from Buttons Galore. This is a really pretty red and green with some yellows and blues thrown in. Gorgeous. Love that. The ephemera is Sugar Cookie Die Cuts by Scrapping for Less. So I received this candy cane, a little sugar cookie Christmas tree, a reindeer, it's a really cute sweater, a Christmas bauble or Christmas ornament, and a stocking. Also in this collection are some transparencies. You'll get a variety of green and red. These are really neat. So this one has a tree on it, some reindeer. So these will be interesting. Oh, here's the whole pattern of the green that I received. See if you can see that. So these are fun. See how I'm able to use these in my card. And that's it for collection number 4. So let's move on to the banana split level. So if you subscribe to the banana split level, you'll receive a full 4x6 stamp. This is Reindeer Games by Scrapping for Less. Oh my goodness, this little cutie dressed up as a reindeer. The little elf, a great Christmas tree that's really versatile, and then a bunch of sentiments. I love this one, Happy Holidays, and it's got decoration around it, so that'll be really fun. You'll receive a jute stocking. That'll be interesting to play with. either sugar or frosted lace stickles. So I got the frosted lace in my kit. And you'll also receive a tag die, and there will be various sizes. So this is the size that I got. It is, I'm just trying to. So it's 4 by about 3 1/4, the size that I got. So perfect for a card. So that is the banana split level. So I'll just do a quick show of the cardstock, and then I can get on with making some cards. So as always, you'll get some envelopes. The cardstock this month, you'll always receive 2 sheets of Neenah 110 pound solar white cardstock. The other cardstock, which is heavyweight, is Paper Bag Craft. You'll get some Jelly Bean Green, Cotton Candy, Wild Cherry, Red Hot, and Berrylicious. How fun is that? So I hope you will stay tuned to see some of my card creations with this kit. I have a feeling I'll be sharing quite a few with you over the next little bit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. And I will, here's a look at the stamps again. How awesome is that? I'll see you guys really soon. Take care. Bye.